Okay, the potato pistol. So it starts off with the hammer and the hammer handle. And the hammer's mounted on ball bearings. Got one set on each side. Didn't want any jams in my spud gun, so got a nice bearing, hammer bearing system. Got the mainspring. It's fastened, tied down at this end. The deck screw. Got a nice, good tension. Heavy duty. Everything's heavy duty. Everything on this thing's heavy duty. Okay, and then got our trigger. And the trigger's got a spring that goes this way. A little spring to spring the trigger. And that gets mounted on this post here. With some washers behind it for spacers. That gets tied down with this screw. Trigger. That goes together with this. And now you can see how it works. Trigger, the hammer comes back, engages the trigger, pull the trigger, the hammer hammers. That goes together, more spacers. This fits on the 2 pins and the 2 bolts. Some lap nuts. Then I get the receiver, and down inside the receiver you can see the firing pin right here, and that moves back and forth when the hammer hits it. Get it good here. And that's all made out of some nuts all drilled together or welded together, and with a piece of high carbon steel rod for a firing pin. Then the receiver goes on top. In there. Heavy duty. Everything on this thing's heavy duty. Alright. You can see the firing pin down in there, and the hammer engages that firing pin. And then you got the barrel, and These are Hilti 22 gauge Hilti loads. Ready to go. Ready to fire. I will not do it right now, but I am going to load it up with a spud and we'll go fire it off. Okay, preparing the spud. So I got a little plug cutter. It's just a sharpened piece of the same pipe that was used for the barrel. I'm going to start with make a square cut on the bottom of my potato here. And punch it out. I had to find the other side. There it is. It was kind of a messy one, but there's my spud. I'm just going to dry it off a little. There it is. Spud bullet. Down in the barrel it goes. Oh, where's my plunger? Oh, there it is. One of the ram set. Ready to go. Let's go tear apart a beer can or something. Okay, I got a full can of root beer in the spud. And here we go. Woohoo! Yeah. Woohoo!